In this video, I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter jumbo cookies. For this recipe, you're going to need 4½ cups of quick cooking oats, 1½ cups of creamy peanut butter, 1/4 cup of butter softened, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of mini M&ms, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of brown sugar packed, 1 cup of sugar, and 3 eggs. First thing you're going to do is mix together the butter, sugars, peanut butter, and eggs. After everything is combined thoroughly, you're going to mix in the baking soda, vanilla, and oats. Now, using a spoon, stir in the chocolate chips and M&Ms. Drop by the tablespoonful on a lined baking sheet. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.